So, we got the new 800 kV motor mounted into my rig. Problem is that the cover that is used with the stock motor will not fit. So I had to go in there and get all the measurements off of this and design a new cover. And this right here is the new cover. The entire thing is made of PETG, and we have two pieces here. Obviously the part on the back goes over the gears, the pinion and spur, and the part on the front goes right here to help seal this off, and then we're going to put a little bit of Plastidip right along this edge right here to help seal it some more. Let's get her mounted and check it out. So here we see it inside, covering our two gears in the back, and then you see how close we are on the front dimension wise, and then this piece here goes right there with 4 screws to hold that tight, and then we'll finish up tightening these 2 bolts in the back. Okay, so we got it mounted here. You see all the screws are in place, and I have the Plastidip around this joint up here in the front, and then down here on the sides as well, where the box doesn't quite join up correctly. And the main goal on this is to keep sand out of the motor bearing. But sand is a royal pain. It gets everywhere. There's not much you can do for a lot of stuff. I'm not worried about it getting on the spur gear or the pinion, but I would just like to try to avoid it from getting on the main motor bearing, and this should seal it up pretty tight. Now, as far as, I'm sure some people are concerned about, well, what if it gets really hot? Well, my motors are going to be running really slow for my application. I mean, that motor there never got above 120 when I was out running, and this one should run quite a bit cooler. So there you go. There is my 800 kV and motor mount. And then we're going to make another piece that goes back here in the back that attaches to the original ESC screws, just as a little bit of a bracing for the back and a bit of a housing or cover so you don't see that drive shaft. But that'll come in a little bit.